Hey everyone, this is Dr. Ayushi and I'm a physiotherapist. And today let's talk about something really common that many of my patients ask, and that is why are my joints making a popping, cracking, and clicking sound while I stretch, while I move. So why does it really happen? In most of the cases, it's completely normal because they are often caused by gas bubble forming and collapsing inside your joint fluid or tendon shifting slightly over your bone. So your body is adjusting, right? However, if the joint is accompanied by some pain, swelling, or stiffness, it could signal joint degeneration like arthritis or muscle wear and tear, muscle imbalances and weaknesses. So this is when a physiotherapy can really help. And if your joints are talking too much, then maybe it's time to listen them. Visit Physiora because your body deserves better. Thank you so much.